criminal, straight up vicious. Your crew's so bad. Grade A bitches. I say, hold up, let me see what you got there. Girl, you killing them. See, better stop that. You a criminal, straight up vicious. Your crew's so bad. Grade A bitches. I say, hold up, let me see what you got there. Goddamn, now I see what you got there. Bet these other bitches hating on your swag, hating on your mom, hating on your dad, cause they don't got what you had, but you ain't feeling bad. You a lady with some class, life is crazy but we laugh. I'ma make it like I have to, go on and back up the ass. Like don't be scared but you pass it. I swerve if I crash, it won't be my last. I promise I'ma do it, you look good, you look nice. I promise I'ma lose it if you would be my wife. Nah, I'm just playing, but maybe for tonight we sipping on some rock. Hear the music and we bop. No cuffing, I'm no cop bones, crushing, I'm on top. So let's get it understood what we bout. More key, stress free. If there's drama, then I'm out. But look, I don't wanna be rude, yeah, but I wanna see you dancing like you better with the whole room shouting. You a Levittown girl, so you up in full of gallon. Yeah, a couple shots and we feel nice. I lost the count, so tonight we gon' drink twice. Yeah, when a fine girl pass by, I tell my dude, look, I'm gon' ask her.